Unlocking the secrets of turning a quick buck. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations about business, money, and sometimes ethics. The phrase is turning a quick buck. It's a colorful expression that offers a window into the culture and values surrounding money-making. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Turning a quick buck refers to the act of making money quickly and, often, with minimal effort. It implies a certain level of cunning or savvy in capitalizing on opportunities to earn. However, it's important to note that the phrase can sometimes carry a negative connotation, suggesting that the money is made in a way that is not entirely ethical or sustainable in the long run. The expression, turning a quick buck, is steeped in the linguistic and cultural history of commerce and trade. The term, buck, itself is a slang term for money, which is believed to have originated in the 18th century. Understanding the roots of these words helps us appreciate the colorful tapestry of English idioms and expressions, especially those related to money. To grasp the nuance of turning a quick buck, let's look at some examples. He's always looking for a way to turn a quick buck, regardless of the consequences. This suggests a person who prioritizes fast profit over ethics or sustainability. The startup aimed to turn a quick buck by capitalizing on the latest trend. Here, it implies leveraging current fads for rapid financial gain. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe actions in various contexts, from personal behavior to business strategies. While turning a quick buck can seem appealing, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. Quick profit-making schemes can sometimes harm individuals, communities, or the environment. The discussion around this phrase often leads to important conversations about sustainable and ethical business practices. We hope this exploration of turning a quick buck has been enlightening. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also offers insights into the values and debates within English-speaking cultures. Remember, while the allure of quick money is strong, the importance of ethical consideration cannot be overstated. Keep this in mind as you navigate the complex world of money and morals. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.